Step 1. Connect the taillight harness. From the main cable extending from the cargo box, locate the taillight wiring, which includes 3 connectors. Green plug connects to green wire. Green plug connects to white wire. Green plug connects to red wire. Ensure the plug colors and sequence are consistent on both left and right sides, or the taillights will not light up in sync. Step 2. Install the controller in its designated position and secure it tightly using a wrench. Mount the voice horn next to the controller and fasten them together. Install the 12 volts voltage converter in the specified frame location. Step 3. Wiring connection guide. Voice horn. Connect to the blue for pin plug on the controller. Voltage converter. 2 red wires and 1 black wire connect to corresponding plugs on the controller. Dashboard purple wire. Connect to the red-white wire on the air pump. Brake cutoff wires red-white. Match by color and connect. High or low speed wires blue-white, yellow-blue. Match and connect accordingly. Throttle wires pink-blue-green. Match to the blue-red plug. Reverse wire. Match similar colors and test after connecting. Ignition switch wire, bullet-type plug. Identify correctly before inserting. Summarize the main functional wiring harnesses and their corresponding connector connections. Voice horn wire to blue socket. 12 volts converter wire. Uses matched plug. Color to color connection. Dashboard wire. Purple wire to red plug. Brake wire. The wire colors are identical and can be directly connected via matching plugs. High or low speed wire. One end has 2 connectors, and the other end has 3 connectors. Throttle wire. Red to red, blue to blue, black to black. Ignition switch wire, bullet plug. Red is the positive terminal. Reverse wire, brown to brown white. Match by similar color. One extra plug should not be connected to anything, or it could cause a short circuit or malfunction. Step 2. Motor wiring harness connection method. Hall sensor wire connection. The motor comes with a 6-pin Hall sensor connector, which should be connected to the corresponding 6-pin connector on the controller. Remove all the screws. Three-phase power wire connection. The 3 thick wires green, blue, and yellow should be connected to the controller terminals of the same colors, matching each color accordingly. Prepare 2 main thick wires, one black and one red. There is also a black main wire coming from the thick cable, which is the negative pole. The one with a plastic cover is the positive pole and should be connected to the red thick wire. The same applies to the negative pole, connecting the 2 black thick wires. Finally, tighten the screws securely. The extra black and red connectors need to be connected to the battery. Black to black, red to red. The rear control system controller, motor, tail light, meter, horn, battery, etc., has been fully wired.